how to fix Instagram runtime exception. Step 1, if you are on an Android, you have to open the settings app on your device, and then you want to scroll down and tap on apps or application manager, and then you want to find and tap on the Instagram app, and then you want to tap on storage or clear data, and then you want to confirm that you want to clear the cache by tapping on clear cache. If you are on an iPhone, you need to long hold the Instagram app, and then you want to tap remove the app. That's the only way of removing the cache on your iPhone. The next step you want to do is to go to the App Store, and then you want to search for Instagram. And beside the Instagram app it says open, but if it says update, you need to update your app, and this will probably resolve your issue. This is how you fix your Instagram runtime exception. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.